The title of this case is Cadiz versus Brent Hospital, GR number 187417. The related provision is Article 1 of the Family Code, wherein marriage is defined as a special contract between a man and a woman entered into in accordance with the law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. According to this provision, marriage is the foundation of the family and an inviolable social institution whose nature, consequences, and incidents are governed by law and not subject to stipulation, except that marriage settlements may fix the property relations during the marriage within the limits provided by this code. The facts of the case: Cadiz is the petitioner. She worked as an HR officer in Brent Hospital. She was engaged in a premarital relationship with her boyfriend during her employment in the said hospital, and later on, she became pregnant out of wedlock. Brent fired her on the ground that her impregnation was immoral and against Brent's policy manual. Brent also said that as an HR officer, she should be an epitome of proper conduct. Cadiz filed before labor tribunals complaining about Brent's unfair labor practice, constructive dismissal, non payment of wages, and damages with prayer for reinstatement. The labor tribunal dismissed the case, ruling that the action of Cadiz was indeed immoral and against the policies of her employer. The petitioner filed the case to CA, but it was dismissed because of technical deficiencies, hence the petition to the Supreme Court. The issues in this case are whether or not Cadiz impregnation out of wedlock is immoral and whether or not the marriage should be used as a condition for reinstatement. The ruling of the Supreme Court, SC granted the petition. SC emphasized that the standard of morality should be public and secular, not religious. The conduct to be immoral should be detrimental to conditions upon which depends the existence and progress of human society. This was cited in Laius versus Saint Scholastica. Cited in that case, for a conduct to be disgraceful, there must be a two-step process. The first process is a consideration of the totality of the circumstance, while the second process is the assessment of the said circumstance. In this case, the totality of the circumstance doesn't justify the alleged immoral conduct because both Cadiz and her boyfriend were single and had no legal impediment to marry when she got pregnant. Moreover, using marriage as a condition for Cadiz reinstatement is not valid because Brent's assertion of the doctrine of management prerogative is violative of the constitutional rights of an employee to equal opportunity in employment. And Article 35 of the Labor Code states that it shall be unlawful to use marriage as a condition of employment. Therefore, Cadiz should be reinstated regardless of the marriage.